Good evening, everybody, and welcome to another video. My name is Ski and this is Sins, and we are a couple, in case you don't know, that are in our late 50s, and we sold everything, the farm, everything that we own, and upped and Adam, left the grandchildren and the kids back in Canada, and we moved to Costa Rica, and we'd never been here before. So anyway, we are going to do a quick update. We saw this that had been published this morning, and it is regarding the driver's license here in Costa Rica for perpetual tourists and for tourists. As some of you may not be aware, they went and updated the visa, tourist visa, back in, I think it was September, to 180 days from 90 days. But there has been nothing said about the driver's license here. So previously you had to do a border run every 90 days, 3 months, and you had to do that to renew your license. So now they've upped it to 180 days, but there was no mention about the driver's license, if that would go in line with the 180-day visa. So I've seen some people have saying that it's gone through. I haven't seen anything that's gone through. I'm not a lawyer. So we're gonna read off to you what has been published in the, I think it's called, what's it called, the La Gaceta, and then we'll let you interpret it for yourself, and then we'll explain a little bit more after we've read this. So I'll pass this to Stephen because I can't find my glasses, and I'll let him read this to you.
Okay, I will read this. It is titled Amendment to Updates in Driver's License Use and Homologation for Foreigners. On October 12, 2023, Costa Rica issued a bill number 23940 with significant updates to the regulations governing the use of homologation of foreign driver's licenses. These amendments, which are still in process of study by the Tourist Commission, published in the official newspaper La Gaceta, specifically Article 91 of the Transit Law, simplify recognizing foreign driver's licenses. It says one of the most substantial changes indicates that foreigners can now drive vehicles corresponding to the same categories on their foreign license for the same period authorized as their legal stay in Costa Rica. It can be a physical or digital license in case the country of origin issues it digitally. The recognition period is now directly linked to the authorization duration of their stay in Costa Rica, determined by their respective nationality. For instance, individuals from countries who are granted a 90-day legal permit stay can now legally drive during their entire stay. Similarly, those from countries with 180 days of authorized stay can enjoy the same privilege. Digital nomads are allowed to drive for an entire year legally. Foreign persons with residency status approved in Costa Rica must homologate their foreign driver's licenses. The essential requirement for this process remains unchanged. However, the government eliminated the previous need for a minimum uninterrupted 90-day stay in the country. Importantly, individuals currently with a file in process at the General Directorate of Immigration can continue to use their foreign driver's license for the entire period, as they are considered legal in the country since the final resolution from immigration is still pending. These comprehensive updates to Costa Rica's driver's license recognition process represent a significant step towards convenience and clarity for foreign drivers, including tourists and residents, by aligning recognition periods with legal permanence. Once the project is approved and published, we will send you the updates. There you go.
So what was that last sentence? Once what?
Once the project is approved and published.
Approved, that's what I'm saying.
We will send you the updates.
So this is the thing, right? So we've seen a few people have said that it's passed. So when they did the new visa stamp for 180 days, it was a decree. It was a publication that was issued, but it wasn't a decree. It was basically going into Congress, the government, to be approved. And like I said, I'm no lawyer. This is just how we interpret it, right?
And it states here, first line, that it's a bill.
And it states in this first line, in the first paragraph of this publication here, that it is a bill. It's not a decree, it's a bill. So it's yet to be passed. So like I said, please, we're not saying this is 100% for sure. This is just my opinion. This is how we are interpreting this article that's come out in what's it called, the Gazeta. That's just how we're interpreting it. So like I said, we will leave it at your discretion. You can interpret it which way you choose, but that's how we understand it anyway, that it has not yet passed. So as of right now, you still have to do a border run after 90 days from your visa stamp. As of right now, like I said, it might change in the next week or two. I don't know. Maybe it already has. I don't know.
Yeah, no, we don't know.
So I'm not going to sit here and say that it's passed, because from what I'm reading, it doesn't look like it has passed.
We personally have not yet seen anything that has
Officially
said it's an executive degree, or has been right from the government, or passed down from, usually they'll say the president has approved it. We haven't heard any of that yet. I mean, hopefully they do, because it would make sense, and I think they're going to. By the sounds of it, they're certainly working on it. Because it makes no sense.
I'll be honest. To me, when I've traveled to other countries, your driver's license has always been as long as your visa, your stamp, always, right? But Costa Rica is different. I don't know why, but that's just how it is, So. Well, I guess it's not really different. Well, I guess it is, because they only give you a 90-day visa, right? It's changed in Europe now. I think in Europe, but
yeah.
I lived in Europe for 22 years, so I haven't been back.
And obviously, your driver's license has to be valid from whatever country it's from. It can't be expired, or if it's Canadian, it's got to be valid and still a valid driver's license from that country. Mm-hmm. But putting that aside. So
anyway, guys, that's also. We just wanted to do this quick update on the latest news as far as driving in Costa Rica regarding the 180-day visa. Because of course everybody thought, oh yeah, 180 days, we can drive now. We don't have to do a border run. In 90 days, we can drive for 180 days. But that wasn't the case apparently. And so, like I said, I still don't think that's the case. I still think you're gonna have to do a border run as of right now. If you're gonna do, until we see an official decree, which that's not saying that they've done. So as soon as we see another update or anything that's changed, we will do a quick update video and let you guys know. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I say, you could be stopped by the police and have 180 and been over the 90s for driving, and they may not say anything. But if it's bottom line, if it's not legal, they have discretion. They can do
follow
whatever
the
they
law.
want to.
Don't break the law. You
want to be safe and make sure.
Yes, don't break the law. They
can confiscate your license plate.
Exactly. Stick to the law. If you got to do a border run in 90 days or whatever, do it. So.
Yep. For now,
it's great that Costa Rica allow us to be perpetual tourists, so respect that. I think you should respect it, So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it, and we're going to try uploading a video once a week, just kind of putting around things that we're doing around here and that and so and so. And we've got some big news for 2024. We were going to share it back in August, but I think we're going to wait until January, until the new year, and tell you and let you know, fill you in what we're going to be doing in 2024. So we're pretty stoked, excited about it, aren't we? It's gonna be freaking awesome. So especially for Steven. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that like button, and the notification bell as well. So if you go and click on that, it'll notify you every time we upload a new video. So thank you so much again, and have a fantastic week. Till next time, Pura Vida.